Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can merge two different PDFs into a combined single PDF. So we will be covering how you can easily create a single PDF from two PDFs. So for this particular demonstration, I will be using a free and online PDF conversion tool which goes by the name of iLovePDF. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. You can go for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or even Mozilla Firefox. So once you have opened your web browser, as in my case I have opened the Google Chrome, simply search for I Love PDF. Once you have searched for I Love PDF, you can see that under the search results you will have this first link from www.ilovepdf.com. So simply click onto this link and you will be greeted with this particular screen. Now the next thing that you need to do is simply click onto this all PDF tools at the top. Once you'll click here, you can see a number of different types of options. Now from here at the very left you can see organize PDF, and under the organize PDF the first option is to merge a PDF. So simply click onto this merge PDF option, and once you'll click here you will be landed into a new page. This says combine PDFs in the order you want with the easiest PDF merger available. So simply click onto this select PDF files button in order to select all of the PDF files that you want to merge using the file explorer. So click onto this select PDF files and then choose those PDF files that you want to add or merge. So for example, let's say I want to merge this first PDF file and this PDF file as well. So simply select them and click onto this open button. Once you will do this, you can see that both of these PDF files have been successfully loaded into the interface, and then you can determine the position. So if you want this agreement file first, you can keep it over to the left hand side, or if you want the book 1 PDF first, you can keep it towards the left hand side. So I will be keeping the agreement file first, and then once you are done with this setting you can click onto this merge PDF option, and here you can see it says PDFs have been merged. So simply click onto this download merged PDF button and your PDF will be downloaded in no time. So let's try to open this, and now you can see that here is our agreement PDF, and just below this is our book 1 PDF that we have merged with this. So that's how easily you can merge any two PDFs using the online PDF tool. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.